A busy month. Part 2. Different types for different needs. In the previous video, we learned about birds and their nests. Introduction. In this video, we will learn about the use of birds' feet and beaks. We will also learn about the different types of teeth of various animals. Zia is happy after knowing about birds and their nests from her grandpa. Zia is now keen to learn more about birds, so she is sitting at her table and reading a book given by her mother. Bobo is also sitting beside her.
Bobo, this book is very nice. There are so many wonderful things written about birds in it.
Zia continues to read her book and she sees some pictures of birds' feet. Can you look at the pictures of the birds' feet and tell how birds use them? Look at this picture and tell, for what purpose do the birds use these feet? Answer. Birds use these feet for swimming. Have a look at this picture. What do birds do with it? Answer. Birds hold the tree branches with it. What do birds do with these sharp-clawed feet? Answer. Birds use these feet to catch their prey. What do you think of these pointed clawed feet? What are they used for? Answer. They are used to climb the trees. Do you know how these long feet help the birds? Answer. These feet help birds to walk on the land.
See, Bobo, how different are the birds' feet.
After reading about the feet, Zia now begins to see pictures of birds' beaks on the next page of the book. Can you look at these pictures of birds' beaks and tell how birds use them? What do you think of this picture of the beak? What do birds do with this beak? Answer. Birds tear and eat meat with it. How do the birds use this pointed beak? Answer. To make holes in wood and tree trunks. How does this beak help the birds? Answer. This beak helps the birds to suck nectar from the flowers. Birds use it to find insects and worms from mud and shallow water. Birds use it to find insects and worms from mud and shallow water. What do you think about this beak? What do birds do with this? Answer. Birds break and crush seeds with it. For what purpose do birds use this beak? Answer. To cut and eat many kinds of food. Zia just finished reading her book when Grandpa comes to her room.
Zia, what were you reading?
I was reading about birds, Grandpa. I learned about their different kinds of feet and beaks.
Very good, Zia.
But Grandpa, do birds have teeth like me and Bobo?
Most birds do not have teeth. But Zia, all creatures have different kinds of teeth. Just like your teeth are different from Bobo.
That is true. Bobo's teeth are very sharp, Grandpa.
Yes, that is correct. Bobo's teeth are in accordance with his needs. Dogs have pointed teeth so that they can rip the meat and eat.
Well, then how are cats' teeth, Grandpa?
What do you think? How would a cat's teeth be?
A cat's teeth are also pointed. They use it for tearing and cutting meat.
Oh, I see.
And just like the teeth of cats, the teeth of snakes are sharp. But they do not chew their prey. Instead, they swallow them.
Snakes eat in a very different manner. Do cows also eat like them? And what kind of teeth do they have?
No, Zia. Cows chew and eat their food. Their front teeth are smaller to cut leaves, and their back teeth are bigger and flattened to chew the grass.
Oh, and what kind of teeth do the squirrels in our garden have?
Do you know what kind of teeth the squirrels have?
Squirrels' front teeth will grow throughout their life as their teeth wear out due to regular biting and munching.
Oh wow! If our teeth were always growing, then they would be taller than us.
Ha 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 ha, Zia, that was funny. However, whether our teeth will grow throughout our life or not, we should take care of them and brush them daily.
Yes, Grandpa.
Otherwise, do you know what may happen, Zia?
What, Grandpa?
Otherwise, you won't be able to eat the chocolates I bring.
Zia, Bobo and Grandpa began to laugh together. Summary. In this video, we learned about the use of birds' feet and beaks. We also learned about the different types of teeth of various animals.